I train students in mathematics at Keshav Smarak for JEE Advanced. We at Keshav Smarak really put an emphasis on developing logical skills of the student. I quote a recent example from a corporate giant. Say, an Infosys asked a question to a student regarding why drainage manholes throughout the world are circular shape. I repeat, why drainage manholes throughout the world are circular shape? Why can't it be some other shape? Hello, somebody is trying to Google it. Do not. It's a simple one, man. If it is a square, side length of a square is A. Diagonal will be A root 2. You lift the lid, you can always slide it along the diagonal so that the lid will fall into the drain. Whereas a circle, in whatever angle you rotate, try to put it in, it will not go. Simple logic. These type of logic or logic plays a very important role for the student. Thank you.